I'm super bullish on Omni. We can see, and this is the Omni price prediction, no financial advice. We can see VWAP curving up right here on the daily chart. We can see money flow steadily going up, breaking out every high. As, and also, we're basically creating new all-time highs for this since the last 30 days, new monthly highs, which is very healthy for a follow-up. And this is at a moment where Bitcoin is basically super oversold. So we have the momentum behind our back. Not only that, but we had a massive green buying candle here, massive green buying candle here, and we're super interested in getting the momentum up for a pump to the upside. So here's what I think: we'll get the a few more bullish days, and we'll try to aim for one of these highs right here to the $5 chart, which is over 10% so far. So 1 to 2 days green candles from here is what I'm expecting. Bullish days, and hopefully we aim for this high right here slowly. But let's see how it actually goes. Let me know your thoughts about Omni in the comment section down below. We're still up 274 grand on meme coins. Link in the description down below for my course, Signal Chat, and BingX. BingX are giving away over 8 grand worth of bonuses. Do check them out. See you next video. Bye.